if we're going to talk about the how, it really depends on how you are or how you're going to reference an information in your paper. It's either quotation or you're paraphrasing. If you're quoting, you're copy-pasting something directly from a paper that it's been written by someone to your paper, and we need to make sure to tell, and this is the right way in which we kind of quote in-text citation. You put the last name of the author, comma, you put the year, comma, and then the page or paragraph number. And then you also have paraphrasing, which is when you use your own words to talk about the findings or information that are in a paper or knowledge developed by someone else. Let's say I'm taking something from a book or an article that Professor Thomas did. Then we put Sullivan, comma, and then we put the year of publication only, right? And that's in parentheses. When it comes to in-text citation, we can't forget that for every in-text citation there should be a reference point, and that's also very, very important, and I think a lot of students forget about that. Make sure, with a simple Control F, every time that you are putting something in text, you need to find it twice in text, and you need to find it in the reference page as well.